What up, peeps? What's going on? So today this video is cool because I finally got the ground effects KBD kit on my 5th gen Camaro, and I'm about to show y'all in a second. Yeah, guys, so again, for those who are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like the video and stuff. But anyway, let's get into this topic at hand. So I just installed the KBD Ground effects kit on the 5th gen Camaro. Okay, I was looking all over YouTube. I couldn't really find anybody who installed this particular kit on, so I had to do a lot of digging, had to do a lot of kind of researching to actually see how to apply this kit on. And the best way to mount this kit on, believe it or not, guys, is some glue. I use glue mainly. About 60% I use glue, and then the other 40% were re-existing clips that I was able to take off the side skirts and whatnot and just mount them back onto the new side skirts. But basically the front lip, I mounted it on with glue. I mounted the rear diffuser on, that's all glue. And the reason I decided to use the glue was because I really did not want to use rivets. I didn't feel like digging and drilling all into my chassis and things of that nature. So that's why, I'm glad I found an alternative. And what's good about this glue is if I ever want to replace a piece, I can actually just peel it off and it won't damage the paint. Yes. This glue, it won't even damage the paint, okay? You don't have to worry about, damaging and drilling all through your chassis and your car and stuff, because once you start drilling and stuff, guys, I mean, it's no turning back once you start drilling. That's the main reason I didn't want to go that route, okay? But it's all glue. I mounted it on, and that stuff is on there. That goop glue is very, very durable, okay? So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys, man. She's a beast. I mean, I fell in love again, man. I'm in heaven again, man. That's why I'm just like, I can't ever get rid of this car. I mean, it's just, God, I just love this car, man. I really do. But anyway, enough of me babbling. I'm about to show y'all what I did and the steps I did to install the KBD ground effects on the 5th gen Camaro. Let's get into it. Driver's side off now, right? And it's actually really not that difficult to put the new one on. No, I'm just doing this video. So we got the old one right here, and the only thing you got to do is take off these clips right here. All these little clips, keep them. Then you just slide them into the new body kit and put them back on the car. Okay, just like that. And then you take all these clips off of the old one, put them in these slots on the new one, and you're good. And then the only thing else after that is you got to take the weather strip off, which just comes right off. You just pull it off. Get the weather strip off, you got these little tabs, right, that you want to recycle these too. And then you're going to pull these out and then put these drill holes in the new kit, which is good. They already got the hole alignments, so all you got to do is make sure you get the right size drill bit and then just puncture those holes, and then you can reinsert these little clips here so you can install the weather strip onto the new side kit. So that's what we're about to do. So, but you don't want to damage these clips. What you want to do is, I tried doing this and I damaged a few. What you want to do is use the heat. If you have a heat gun or a hair dryer, you want to heat it up probably for about 5 seconds. Then that'll melt the plastic a little bit, and then you can use like a flathead screwdriver to poke them through while they're soft. Because if you don't do that, you're gonna damage these clips. I already damaged a few trying to do it already, so just beware. That's the best way to take these out. Okay.
Premiumbeat.com.
That's it, guys. The KBD kit. Got the front lip on there, got the 2 side skirts, and the rear diffuser. And boy, does she look clean. I mean, I never thought I could fall in love all over again, but gosh, man, it's just a night and day difference, man, with this body kit on here. It just looks so good. I just love how the ground effects makes the stance look, gosh, it's so much more beefier. It definitely looks a little bit lower with that kit on there. I mean, it's just all the way around. This thing is magnificent, man. I'm just loving it. The whole everything about this kit. Ground effects body kit for the 5th Gen Camaro, man. Y'all leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, give me some comments, man, what y'all think about the body kit, man. I think she looks magnificent, man. Shoot, it's just, I just fell in love all over again, man, when I applied this kit. Gosh, she looks so good. Y'all can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, I actually got my license plate 10 on there now, so it's a little bit darker now, looks a little bit better. But yeah, that's it, man. I finally got it on there, man. The KBD body kit, baby. So y'all go ahead, leave me a like, man, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think, man. We got more stuff coming, man. We got more stuff coming, man. I'll see it back there, the 5th Gen Camaro, man. The ground effects kit, Kriese TV. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, hit me up on the Instagram, all that, man. Okay? So hopefully y'all found that enjoyable, and I will catch y'all on the next one.